Now imagine this, you were scrolling and you saw a video that's interesting and you don't have time to watch, but you want to have a summary of that video. For example, like I see this video by Think Media, how to make social media your full-time job. Interesting. So I wanted to watch this, but I don't have 30 minutes to spare. This is where YouTube summary is very important, and we can do it by using ChatGPT. So let me show you how. So first of all, you can go to this website, glefs.co/YouTube summary. This is a YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude. You can install it on Chrome. Alternatively, you can go to this Chrome store and you can find here as well. So let's just click add to Chrome. Okay, I have all the links in the description box, so just feel free and go down and just click. Okay, let me add extension. Alright, so I've already installed. So you can see there's a lot of extension I have here, but let's find the extension. Now you can see YouTube summary here. Just click on this pin icon and then it will appear here right on top. Okay, now just go to a video that you want to see again. Just go to click on this video, for example.
Where are people missing it in terms of their philosophy of actually making?
Okay, before that, let's just click on here. Alright, and then you open up the summary, the user setting. So you can do a different setting. You have theme, I like dark, so I always put it dark. You can see the copy formats, plain text, the GPT model. Okay, you can put exactly, just put as default. Language, everything is here. Just have a look on how you want to change it. For me, I just keep it as it is. Okay, let's just close it. So now we have the video running here. Now let's just refresh it. Alright, so let's refresh and then you can see there's this icon here, transcript and summary. You can see this icon here. Just click on it. Okay, you can have the whole transcript being shown here. And you can see it's a bit different from the usual transcript you have from YouTube. And what you can do is just, you can see you can copy the transcript in plain text and paste it somewhere else. You can jump to current time. For example, like here you can jump to this time. Or this is where you can view the AI summary and you open a new tab in ChatGPT. Just click on it. There. You literally just paste all of the transcript and then they put a summary here as well. Build a loyal. So this is the title of this thing. Summarize the video of this and then you show all the examples here. You can even prompt it other ways as well. Can I have example? Alright, so you can see you just put it accordingly based on the video itself. So this will make things a lot easier. Well, they do have limit for this plugin. I think if it's more than 20 minutes, you're gonna have difficulty in transcribing everything. So now you can see we put in a lot of words here. So I think the more it has, the longer it takes for you to summarize, for the ChatGPT to summarize. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you. You can get the Chrome extension in the description box. And if you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.